What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. Those 12 free stocks could be worth up to $30,600. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, I was reading an article that came out yesterday after the Fed March 21st, 22nd meeting minutes came out. And it's some contradiction there. When you listen to the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, he doesn't seem to think we're going to have a recession, or at least he's not going to concede that we will have a recession. The rest of the Federal Reserve staff, they seem to think different. They think with these recent bank failures, Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, along with what's happening globally with Credit Suisse, Deutsche Bank, they just believe here in the U.S. we may have a mild recession. I don't know if I agree with that. Certainly the White House doesn't agree with it. President Biden doesn't believe we're going to have a recession. He doesn't believe that the recent bank failures of the 16th largest bank, which is Silicon Valley Bank, and the 29th largest bank in the U.S., which is Signature Bank. He doesn't believe with those two failures that poses a risk to our economy. He believes this super strong jobs market, 12.5 million new jobs created in the United States since Biden has taken office. Now, those are his words, guys. You know I'm not a political guy on this channel. I don't care which way you lean. I'm just giving you my interpretation of what I read in that article, and to let you know that I tend to agree with no recession. With this strong jobs market, this strong labor market, I don't see how recession comes about. In order to have a recession, man, you got to have an increase in unemployment. And right now, our unemployment rate is around 3.5%. So unless that unemployment rate starts skyrocketing, I'm not sure we'll have a recession. And what is a recession? That's a temporary slowdown in our economy, right? That's all a recession is. A depression is going to be a prolonged slowdown in our economy. Basically, the economy doesn't grow. It actually has negative growth. That's what a recession is. That's what a depression is. And I don't see any one of those on the horizon, not with this strong labor market we have. We know on April 7th, the jobs report came out, and we added 236,000 new jobs in March. So again, man, unemployment went from 3.6% down to 3.5%. So without a weakening labor market, without unemployment going up, I don't see a recession on the horizon. Now, here's the way I look at it, though. No matter what happens, the goal is to do what? Buy assets. That's our goal, right? Our goal is to buy assets right now, because these assets we're buying are discounted. I get this question all the time, man, what should I be doing? What you should be doing right now in these times is buying assets. We want to build our net worth right now. A lot of us, we don't have a lot of net worth. And if we want to create passive income is created through what? Net worth, through assets that actually generate income. And what a great opportunity right now, man, when all this turmoil is going on in our economy. One side is saying recession, the other side is saying no recession. And all that's doing, man, is keeping the stock market in a bear market. And really, guys, right now, that's one of your main asset classes you can be buying at a discount is paper assets through the stock market. Why not start doing that? Why not consider it? Like I said, man, I get questions all the time. Hey, man, I got $10,000. Hey, man, I got $5,000. Hey, man, I got $500. What should I be doing with that money to try to multiply it? And then I always tell people, listen, that's going to be different for each one of you. But the basic things you need to have in place before you even think about investing a dime is you got to be living on less than what you make. You got to be living on a plan, which is you got to have a personal budget in place that you know exactly how much money you got coming in, exactly how much money you got going out. You got to be able to manage your money. Third thing you got to be doing is staying out of consumer debt, especially high interest rate credit card debt or high interest rate loan debt. Guys, this is not the time to have a lot of high interest rate credit card debt because interest rates are too high. So get out of credit card debt. And then the last thing is save and invest. So if you're not doing those 4 financial principles, those 4 basic things you need to do before you can build wealth, then start there first. Once you get those things done, the 5th thing is make sure you have an emergency fund. You got to have a 3 to 6 month emergency fund tucked away for a rainy day. We don't want to be putting every dime we got into the stock market. Now, of course, investments in the stock market, you can sell them and they can turn them into cash, but that's not what we want to do. We want to put money into the stock market in today's value, and then hopefully in the future, it grows. That's the whole point of it. I don't need to be putting money in the stock market right now if I'm not willing to leave it in that 3 to 5 years. I want to multiply my money. I don't want to just put $500 in today and then turn around next week and take $500 back out. I mean, you should have just left it in the savings account. I want to put $500 in today, and in 3 years, I want to have $1,200, right? I want a multiplier on my $500. And that's what I believe right now you're able to certainly think about getting if you're going to put money in paper assets. Because I believe in a couple of years, we're going to come out of this bear market and we're going to go into a new bull market in the stock market. And when we do, all of these assets you're buying today, guys, in my opinion, all the assets I'm buying today, I believe will be worth more in 3 to 5 years. That's my opinion. And I base that opinion on what? History. See, I've been through this. I'm a little older than some of you folks that watch my videos. I've been through this. I've been through the 2008 downturn when the stock market was trash, right? When real estate was trash. Now, all of a sudden, 12, 13 years later, if you had invested back then, it wouldn't be trash anymore. It'd be gold, right? That's how I built my net worth, guys. A big chunk of my net worth I built from 2008 to 2021, right? By investing in assets and holding them. And all I'm telling you guys is if you want to build wealth, that's one of the fastest ways to do it is through paper assets. So drop me some comments and let me know what you think about this whole recession talk. If you want those 12 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.